Hey there, it's Amelia. If you need to generate placeholder text for a sample document, demonstrations, and videos, instead of typing random text like "this is a test," you could easily generate sample content or Lorem Ipsum text in Microsoft Word. All you have to do is type equals Lorem, left parentheses, right parentheses, and press enter. Instantly, placeholder text will be generated. You can also use parameters to generate a specific number of lines of text. So for example, if I type equals Lorem, left parentheses, 2,5, and press enter, that will generate 2 paragraphs with 5 lines or sentences per paragraph. If you want to generate random text that's not Lorem Ipsum, but instead you want to generate text which is readable and makes sense, there's another command you can type, which is equals RAND for random, left parentheses, right parentheses, and press enter. This will generate a series of paragraphs of text, or you can use parameters inside the parentheses to specify a certain number of paragraphs and sentences. So it's information about Microsoft Word. It talks about a video, themes and styles. So it's placeholder text that is readable. Let's go to another page. Now if I type equals RAND, left parentheses, 10, 7, press enter, we'll get 10 paragraphs with 7 sentences each. Now, I tested this out and I went as far as 20 paragraphs, and I found that after 15 paragraphs, the same paragraphs start being generated. But this could still come in handy and offers you another option if you need to generate readable placeholder text. If you're wondering about other Microsoft Office apps, in PowerPoint, you can generate random text by typing equals Lorem, left parentheses, right parentheses, same as Word, press enter, and random text is generated. The RAND command also works in PowerPoint. I've already typed it in. If I press enter, the only difference is instead of having readable text like you just saw in Word, it just uses the sentence, "The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog," repeatedly. You can also use a parameter. So for instance, if I include 2,8 in the parentheses and press enter, we'll get 2 paragraphs with 8 sentences each. I also tested these commands out in Microsoft Excel and they do not work. However, there is a function available and it looks something like this. However, it's only available in the Random Data Assistant contained in the Excel PowerUps Premium Suite add-in for Excel. So I hope you have enjoyed this video on how to generate random text in Microsoft Office. This can be helpful when training, for demonstrations, and when creating templates that you're using, sharing, or selling. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.